Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Sapna Katara, nursing tutor in Index Medical College. Today I discuss about this topic, diabetes mellitus. Definition: diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disease characterized by elevated levels of glucose in the blood from defects in insulin secretion, insulin action, or both. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic lifelong condition that affects your body ability to use the energy found in the food. डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटिस के साइनम सिम्टम्स. इनिशियल सिम्टम्स: पोलीयूरिया हो सकता है, पोलीडिप्सिया, पोलीफेजिया हो सकता है, वेट लॉस हो सकता है, इरिटेबिलिटी एंड अदर मूड चेंजेस हो सकता है, फटीग एंड वीकनेस. लेटर साइंस सिम्टम्स: इरिटेबिलिटी होती है, वुंड नॉट हील इजीली, ट्रेम्बलिंग, कन्फ्यूज़न. डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटिस के कोजेस. फर्स्ट है वायरल इन्फेक्शन. सम रिसर्च हैज सजेस्टेड दैट द इम्यून सिस्टम इज activated in response to viral infection as the immune cells are activated against the virus particles. They are also activated against the beta cells of the pancreas. Viruses that have been implicated in the causes of type 1 diabetes include rubella virus. Genetic tendency: type 1 diabetes seems to run in families, which suggests a genetic basis to the pathology of the condition. Some human leukocyte antigens genotype are known to raise the risk of developing type 1 diabetes. Lack of vitamin D: there is thought that lack of vitamin D in the first year of a child life may raise the risk of type 1 diabetes developing. Development of antibodies: some research have suggested that the development of antibodies against proteins in cow's milk may also lead to the development of antibodies that attack the beta cells of the pancreas. The presence of antibodies against pancreatic beta cell is seen in a subtypes of type 1 diabetes mellitus. Certain drugs and chemicals may also play a role in the development of type 1 diabetes by destroying the pancreatic beta cell. This include chemicals such as Waker N3 and NP nitrophenylurea, which is used as a rat poison and is no longer used in the USA. An anti-cancer and antibiotic agent called strepto used to treat pancreatic cancer also destroy the pancreatic beta cell. Diabetes mellitus causes: weight, fat distribution, sedentary lifestyle, race, family history, age more than 45, prediabetes, polycystic ovary syndrome, body mass index higher than 25, removal of pancreas. Pancreatic anatomy: gland with both exocrine and endocrine functions, 15 to 25 centimeter long, 16 to 100 gram. Location: retroperitoneum, second lumbar vertebral level, extend in an oblique transverse position. Parts of pancreas: head, neck, body and tail. Classification of diabetes mellitus. Classification: type 1 diabetes mellitus, type 2 diabetes mellitus. Type 1 diabetes mellitus. Type 1 diabetes mellitus also called insulin dependent diabetes. This type of diabetes is characterized by loss of insulin producing beta cell in islets of the Langerhans in the pancreas. It used to be called juvenile consent diabetes because it often begins in childhood. It may be caused by a genetic predisposition. It could also be the result of faulty beta cell in the pancreas that normally produce insulin. Pathophysiology. Type 1 diabetes occurs as a result of the body immune system attacking the insulin producing beta cells of the pancreas. Although it is not clear why this happens, a lack of insulin in the blood means inadequate amounts of glucose are taken up by cells of the body to provide energy for cellular functions. Consequently, glucose remains in the blood, leading to a high blood sugar level. Symptoms of diabetes mellitus. First, कुस्माउल ब्रीथिंग, एब्डोमिनल पेन, नोजिया वोमिटिंग हो सकता है, पॉलीडिप्सिया भी हो सकता है, पॉलीयूरिया भी हो सकता है, पॉलीफेजिया. टाइप सेकंड डायबिटीज मेलाइटस. बाय फार द मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्म ऑफ डायबिटीज इज टाइप सेकंड डायबिटीज, अकाउंटिंग फॉर 95% ऑफ डायबिटीज केसेस इन अडल्ट. डायबिटीज सेकंड जो है वो अडल्ट पेशेंट में 95% होता है. इट यूज्ड टू बी कॉल्ड एज एडल्ट ऑनसेट डायबिटीज और नॉन इंसुलिन डिपेंडेंट डायबिटीज. पैथोफिजियोलॉजी. डायबिटीज मेलाइटस सेकेंड इज ड्यू टू इंसुलिन रेसिस्टेंस और रिड्यूस इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी combined with relatively reduced insulin secretion, which in cases become absolute. The defective responsiveness of body to insulin almost certainly involves in the insulin receptors in cell membrane. The pancreas usually produces some insulin. Type 2 diabetes is caused by either inadequate production of the hormone insulin or a lack of response to insulin by various cells of the body. Diabetes mellitus objectives. Review the anatomy and physiology of pancreas. Define diabetes mellitus. Diabetes. Define classification of diabetes. Briefly explain type first diabetes, its pathophysiology, cause and sign and symptoms. Explain type 2 diabetes, its pathophysiology, causes and sign and symptoms. Explain diagnostic test or detect diabetes. Describe treatment of diabetes. List down complication of diabetes. Describe collaborative care of diabetes. Insulin structure, function and types. Diagnostic test. Glycated hemoglobin test. NAIC level of 6.5% or higher on two separate tests indicates that you have diabetes. NA1C between 5.7 and 6.4% indicates pre-diabetes. Below 5.7 is considered normal. Random blood sugar test. Random blood sugar level of milligrams per deciliter mg per dl. 11.1 millimoles per liter or higher suggest diabetes. Fasting blood sugar test. A fasting blood sugar level from 100 to 125 mg per dl is considered pre-diabetes. If it's 122 mg per dl or higher on two separate tests, you have diabetes. Oral glucose tolerance test. A blood sugar level less than 140 mg per dl, 7.5 mmol per L is normal. A reading of more than 200 mg per dl 11.1 mmol per l after 2 hours indicates diabetes. A reading between 140 and 199 mg per dl indicates prediabetes. Monitoring blood glucose. Self-monitoring of blood glucose allows self-management decision regarding diet, exercise and medications. Importance for detective episode hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. Patient education is crucial. Difference between type 1st and type 2nd diabetes mellitus. Type 1st, young age, normal BMI, not obese, no immediate family history, short duration of symptoms, can present with diabetic insulin required. Type 2nd, middle aged elderly, usually overweight, obese, family history, usual symptoms may be present for months, do not present with diabetic coma, insulin not necessarily required, previous diabetes in pregnancy. What is insulin and how does it work? Insulin is the principal hormone that regulate uptake of glucose from the blood into most cells, primarily muscles and fat cells, but not central nervous system cell. Therefore, deficiency of insulin or the insensitivity of its receptors plays a central role in all forms of diabetes mellitus. Most of the carbohydrates in food are converted within a few hours to the monosaccharide glucose. The principal carbohydrates found in blood and used by the body as fuel. Insulin is released into the blood by beta cells found in the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas in response to rising levels of blood glucose typical after eating. Insulin is used by about 2/3 of the body's cell of absorb glucose from the blood for use as fuel for conversion to other needed molecules or for storage. Insulin is also the principal control signal for conversion of glucose to glycogen for internal storage in liver and muscle cell. Lowered glucose levels results both in the reduced release of insulin from the beta cell if the amount of insulin available is insufficient, if cell responds poorly to the effects of insulin's insensitivity of resistance, there can be persistent high level of blood glucose, poor protein synthesis and other metabolic such as acidosis. Acute complication: diabetic ketoacidosis, hyperglycemia, hyperosmolar state, hypoglycemia. Blood vision, vaginal yeast infection in female, tingling of numbness in hands of feet, fatigue, nausea, vomiting. क्रोनिक कॉम्प्लिकेशंस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? क्रोनिक कॉम्प्लिकेशंस: वेस्कुलर डिसीज, माइक्रोवेस्कुलर एंड मैक्रोवेस्कुलर, डायबिटिक न्यूरोपैथी, डायबिटिक नेफ्रोपैथी, डायबिटिक रेटिनोपैथी, डायबिटिक कार्डियोमायोपैथी, डायबिटिक एंजियोपैथी. डायबिटीज मेलाइटस कोलैबोरेटिव केयर, पेशेंट्स टीचिंग, nutritional therapy, drug therapy, exercise, self monitoring of blood glucose. Nutritional therapy. Within the context of the overall healthy eating plan, a person with diabetes can eat the same food as a person without diabetes. Overall goal of nutritional therapy: assist people to make changes in nutritional and exercise habit that will lead to improved metabolic control. Food composition: meal plan developed with dietitian dietitian nutritionally balanced, does not prohibit the consumption of any one type of food. डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटस होता है तब एक्सरसाइज क्या क्या करनी चाहिए. Essentials part of diabetes management: increase insulin sensitivity, lowers blood glucose levels, decrease insulin resistance, take small carbohydrate snacks, q 30 minutes during exercise to prevent hypoglycemia. Exercise after meals: exercise plan should be individualized. Monitor blood glucose level before, during and after exercise. Thank you.